ओके। अह, सबसे पहले तो निफ्टी बैंक्स वाज द पोल विनर, तो वील गो ahead with निफ्टी बैंक्स। लेट्स सी। डेली बेसिस पे अगर देखा जाए तो हमारा जो ये सपोर्ट था पिछले हाई का, वो इस बार ब्रेक हो चुका है फ्राइडे को। एंड जो वहीं का अपना कंसोलिडेशन एरिया था 40,000 के आसपास वाला, वहीं से एक सपोर्ट लिया गया है। सो फॉर टुमारो इसी रेंज के बीच में मुझे लग रहा है आज का मतलब फ्राइडे का जो हाई विच वाज 41,417, ये तो काफ़ी ऊपर है। टुमारो 40,000 से लेकर 40,800 के बीच में ही बैंक निफ्टी का साइडवेज मूवमेंट होना चाहिए। 800 पॉइंट, आई नो इट्स अ वेरी बिग अमाउंट, बिग रेंज, बट डिपेंड्स where the markets open tomorrow for bank nifty to go. Let's look at HDFC Bank to decide as it holds the maximum weightage in bank nifty. HDFC Bank has not broken the round number of 1600 on Friday and has given a sharp recovery from there. Let's see in a smaller time frame. You can see it touched 1600 and then just bounced back up. Tomorrow, if HDFC Banks opens above the above the swing high of 1625, 1626, as soon as this crosses, you can see a sharp recovery to 1644, 45 levels and a sharp gap filling here. And if this happens, then you can see a sharp up move in Bank Nifty as well. As you know, 1 point move in HDFC Bank is a 10 point move in HDFC Bank is approximately 100 to 150 point move in Bank Nifty. So yes, then let's look at ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has also taken a support from the previous resistance of 817, 820 range, and this consolidation area of August 2022. I believe ICICI Bank would stay a little sideways tomorrow, as this is a very important level, or maybe a small bounce back upside. But yes, for now, until and unless 840 is crossed on a closing basis at daily time frame, I don't see any up move, big sharp up move happening in ICICI Bank. Let's look at Axis Bank now. Similarly for Axis Bank, this previous support area of 840 to 860 range, it touched this level on Friday and gave a sharp recovery. As you can see, it almost touched 850 and back to 875 levels. So as long as 850 is defended, we can remain long in Axis Bank. But on the upside, I would wait for Friday's high to get crossed and then take any fresh entries in this stock. Before that, I'll just avoid it. That's about the banks, major banks. Let's check an SBI also. SBI, we posted the chart analysis on our Instagram as well. You can check that. We expect the level and range of 520 to 525 to act as a strong support for the stock to bounce back. Also, on the when do we have it? 3rd of Friday, we have the Q3 results, and usually SBI's result lead to the change in direction of Bank Nifty. So yes, above 545, 547, SBI will give a sharp recovery to back to 570, 600 levels. So we'll be tracking that closely. Now let's look at one of your stocks. सबसे पहले we received Infosys. Okay. Infosys has been in a range since past 1 year. Now we can say approximately April से लेके अभी January end तक 9-10 months it has been in a range 1650 to 1360 1318 levels. This is too much noise here. As long as 1500 level is defended, the low of Friday, we can stay long in Infosys. Also, IT has been posting good results, and IT sector was in the limelight in the month of January. During the budget time period, at the budget time on 1st of February, we don't know what the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman will say. But yes, Infosys has been in a sideways range, so there's no trade here. Let's look at LTTS now. LTTS has been in a downtrend. It recently touched, not recently, in the first week of December, 4300 to 3300. So it has fallen on by 25%, which is not a good thing. The stock is trading at the lows of its current year for the past 1 year. But yes, it is a strong company, and we have this in our long-term portfolio. As long as 3200 is defended, we are okay. We can look to buy at 3200. But if you are currently in this stock and are in a loss, you can hold on to it with a stop loss of 3200. Next is Bharat Electronics. Yeah. Okay. The stock has broken its support of 95. Last hope if you are in the stock is 92. If it goes below 92, then you can expect further downside of 85. Yes. So you can, if you want, you can add a small quantity here if you are in this stock to average it out, but have a strict stop loss below 92. Next is Dabur. Again, no interactive, no great movement here. Sideways move. Not a good stock, according to me, honestly. The company is strong, but too volatile and too no good returns possible. As long as this trend line is maintained, you can stay long here. But when this breaks, you need to exit your stock. Otherwise, you are in for a you'll just be holding a stock which won't give you good returns. There are many good opportunities in the market. Also, this level of 570 is a strong resistance. Once this crosses above 570, you can see a good up move. Not a good up move. 580 is a resistance, 590 is a small resistance, then 610 is all big resistance. Yes, interesting. This is interesting. Let's see which side the stock breaks, and either side it breaks, you can enter there. If it breaks on the upside, you can enter for in a long position, but if it breaks the trend line on the downside, you can enter for a short position. Stop loss will be if it breaks on the upside, closing below this trend line, and if it breaks on the downside, it will be Friday's high of 567, basically 570. Yes. Coal India. Coal India, we've got 233 as a resistance and 214 as a support. Hmm. It has got its earnings coming in on Tuesday. As long as it is in this range, there is no trade possible here. If it breaks about 233, then we can look to go long in it for a gap filling of the dividend which it gives. But if it breaks on the downside, we can look for short targets of 200, the round level of 200. This will be a swift movement on either side breaking out. So you can set your alerts. ICICI GI, Lombard. The stock is performing very poorly. ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं इस कंपनी के अंदर, ऐसा लग रहा है. 1300 and 1100. If it goes below 1100, then there's nothing, then you should not hold it because it's not performing well and the company is going is in a downtrend since 2021. So not a good. If you're stuck in this stock, I'll suggest you exit and book a loss rather than holding and booking a bigger loss later on. यूनिकेम लैब्स तो अभी आया शायद नहीं. Unicum Labs again has taken a support from its from 265 levels, 260, 265 levels. If it crosses 313, which is 5% from here, but yes, sharp move of 10% on Friday. Results आएगा. Results कल है. If it crosses 313 after results, then you can look for a good move up till 340. अगर लॉन्ग हो ऑलरेडी नीचे के लेवल से हो तो देन ट्रेल टाइटली, बट एनीथिंग बिलो, बट इफ इट गोज बिलो 265 देन यू शुड एग्जिट. 260 कर लो, 265 नहीं, 260. जब तक ये वाला लो है आपके पास डिफेंडेड तब तक यू कैन स्टे 10th of August का 261.65. नेक्स्ट Hudson Agro. एट फोर्टी is a strict stop loss. अक्टूबर में जब हाई बना था तब से नीचे ही है. If it 840 is a strict stop loss. If anyone is looking to enter, then they can enter at 840 with a stop loss of 800, 5%. That is it. उसके नीचे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, मतलब शॉर्ट टर्म में कोई रिकवरी नहीं दिख रही. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक TV18. Support has been broken. 27.5 approximately is your next support, but कुछ है नहीं. मेरे को तो ये पंप एंड डंप लग रहा है क्योंकि इसका काफ़ी ऐसे उठ रहे थे. कभी लो तोड़ दिया इसने 23 अगस्त 2021 का. द स्टॉक इज डाउन. किसको काफ़ी आया था न्यूज़ में कि ले लो, 100 होने वाला है, 150 होने वाला है. जब वो आ रहा हो तब अपने आप ही साइन समझ लेना चाहिए. बट यस 27.7, 27.5 ये वाला लेवल है. जो ये वाला लेवल है आपका कोविड के रैली के बाद जो उसने सपोर्ट लिया था एरिया में 28 बेसिकली. इसके नीचे अगर क्लोजिंग है तो देन यू शुड एग्जिट. आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनीथिंग लेफ्ट. IndusInd Bank, interesting level support काफ़ी अच्छा सपोर्ट, स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट 2021 के हाई का वहाँ से लिया है। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इनका वोडाफोन आइडिया में बहुत एक्सपोजर है और इनका अदानी ग्रुप में भी एक्सपोजर है थोड़ा सा, थोड़े तो कमज़ोर हैं ही। इसकी तो शॉर्ट सेल कॉल भी दी थी हमने हमारे व्हाट्सएप उस पर, वो चैट पे। बट यार जब तक 1100 डिफेंडेड है, 1100 मेंटेन्ड है, कोई भी टेंशन नहीं है अपने को। गुड कंपनी, वी कैन सी ए बैक, see it going upwards to 1200, 1250 levels. Next stock is Atul Auto. Atul Auto 300, 300 इसका जो लेवल है, 300 इज स्ट्रॉन्ग लेवल। जब तक 300 मेंटेन्ड है आप लॉन्ग रह सकते हो या अपना ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस ले सकते हो। आई नो योर एंट्री इज अराउंड 260 लेवल्स, मुझे याद है। दैट्स अबाउट इट। इतने ही स्टॉक आए थे अपने पास शायद। ओके, थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग।